excited about Eurovision 2015 as I am. I am Amber from Malta, and I just can't wait to perform Warrior on the big stage. In fact, I am already here enjoying Austrian hospitality in Zalumsi. Big kisses to everyone at ESC Stars. Follow me on my Facebook official page Eurovision Song Malta and give me a like. Love you all!